So welcome back guys, and in today's video we're gonna do this gunshot fire effect here in HitFilm Express 14, and we're gonna do it quick and fast. So let's get into it. So we're here in HitFilm Express 14, and here's my raw footage, and as you can see I just removed something in the background that makes the so that this video is suited for everyone and there's no bad thing in here. So the first thing we'll need is we're gonna make a new point layer, and we're just gonna find a part where we could just track the whole thing. Let's just press this green cross and just do this. Okay, and there you go. And then let's just track that by clicking the arrow in here, and let's just wait for that. Usually HitFilm's tracking is really good unless it's blurry or something just covered it, so it's usually good to go. And it's done. So go to the layer and go to new point and apply, and there you go. So go to your just find a part where your subject starts shooting. So let's go back to the viewer panel, zoom in a bit, and just so he grabs, he shoots. So we could just somewhere in here, and I'm just gonna put my shot in there, and so I'm just gonna shrink that a bit so that it would fit the size of the gun. Too much. Shrink that a bit. Still a little more. It's actually up to you on about the size and stuff. Just try to align them and parent that to the new point, and there you go, so that it would shoot. Or you could just tweak that a bit. You could just move that there, and there you go. Or you could just move that there, and there you go. So that's how easy it is to track for a gunshot fire effect here in HitFilm Express. And that's for today's first person or third person shooting effect. And if you like this kind of content, please do like this comment, like this video, comment down below on what you think, or any advice for future videos, or any suggestions for anything that you would like me to edit, and I would see you in the next video. Bye.